Now the initiation of the process of transcription is different in both cells. There is prokaryotic cell, which is bacterial cell. Then there is eukaryotic cell, which is human cell. First, let us talk about prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells only need promoter regions to initiate transcription. There are 3 promoter regions in the prokaryotic cells that will initiate the transcription. One is -35. This means that this promoter region is located 35 nucleotides before where the process of transcription will start. The other one is -10 promoter region. This means that this promoter region is located 10 nucleotides before where the process of transcription will be initiated. The last one is +1. It is the exact site on which the process will be started. Now the enzyme that is involved is what we have discussed before. Do you remember what is it? It is RNA polymerase holoenzyme. This is the enzyme for the prokaryotic cells. Let us move toward the eukaryotic cells now. There are 2 things required for initiation: promoter and transcription factors. There are also 3 promoter regions from which the initiation process of transcription will take place. These sequences are TATA or TATA sequence. This means the nucleotide will remain in the thymine, adenine, thymine, and adenine pair. CAAT or CAT sequence. This means the nucleotide will remain in the cytosine, adenine, and thymine pair. And GC sequence. This means the nucleotide pair will be guanine and cytosine. Transcription can be initiated with any of these 3 steps, but what else do we need for transcription? Yes? Think harder? It is the transcription factor. Now there are several transcription factors for other mechanisms, but in here, transcription factor 2D is involved in the initiation of transcription process. So what does transcription factor 2D actually does? Well, TF2D basically had TBP, which is TATA binding proteins. This means that TF2D will bind with TATA binding proteins to attach itself with TATA sequence. This will start the process of initiation. This was all about the initiation and the entities required in it. Let us move towards the elongation phase next.
Have you ever heard of video books? sqadia.com is delighted to present video books, medical books that have been tailored into a series of videos. sqadia.com videos are presented in the same order as the book's chapters. Explore now and make your learning easy.